Hey everyone, if you want to create a professional LinkedIn profile from scratch and get job ready in 2026, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a LinkedIn profile in 2026. First, go to LinkedIn and sign up using your email. Try to use a professional email address for better impression. Next, add your basic information like your name, location, and current job status. Make sure everything is accurate and professional. Now, upload a clear profile photo, use a clean background, and make sure you look professional in the picture. Next, write your headline. This is your job title or what career role you are aiming for. Then write your About section. Briefly, describe your skills, experience, and career goals in a few lines. After that, add your experience and education. Even internships, freelance work, or school projects are important. Now add your skills and start building your network. Follow companies, recruiters, and professionals in your field. So yeah, that's how you create a LinkedIn profile in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you'll look professional and increase your job opportunities. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more career tutorials for fast and easy guides.